Okay, MB with Mile High Pest and Wildlife, and it is Woodpecker Day. I've already started doing some work. You can see these spinners up here. They don't like that sparkly thing. They don't like the sparkly spinner thing. Other birds could care less. For some reason, woodpeckers hate them. I'm putting them on all these chimneys up here. I'm going to end up putting up some reflectors off of these eaves on the back of this house. Beautiful house out here. Beautiful view. You guys are going to get a nice, fantastic view. Not a nice, a fantastic view of the Rockies here in a second. Let's run up this ladder. Get going. This is a ladder day. We're gonna use 2 to make it happen. Actually, it's gonna be 3 ladders today by the time I get done. I'm gonna be using a 40-foot ladder on the back of the house. Not exciting. Let's just say horrifying. No one likes a 40-foot ladder, especially me. We do it sometimes. Little ladder. Reach back, get my rope. I have a harness on me today for some of this work I gotta do on the outside of the other side of this building. You can see those spinners up there. I had to climb up on these chimneys, stand on the chimneys, and put those on. That was kind of exciting. We're gonna come back, we're gonna fix all these woodpecker holes. We're gonna get all this stuff done today. It's gonna be a day. Lots of work on this house. This is a big one. All right. Just fix the rope. Walk up my little ladder. You can see I've added spinners over there. Tile roofs, gotta be super careful of. Look at that view. Yeah, this is why I do this job. I like the work, I love the animals. Diamond over there. This beautiful country. Actually, Devil's Backbone is that. As I point off my finger right there, that's the Devil's Backbone. Famous, famous place. Beautiful landscape. Love it. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna stand out over on this edge. Yeah, 4 stories. Don't want to take that fault. Take a little seat for a second. Set myself up. Get my little bird banisher here. Get this guy all ready to go. A couple wildlife companies I like to work with. This one, they make great reflectors. Some people say the reflectors don't work, not worth a damn. You gotta buy stuff from reputable companies. All right, I'm gonna lean out. Probably need a couple more tools to help finish this job off. Not really loving how that's looking there, but I'm gonna go get some pliers and fix that guy and make sure it's set in the way I want. Okay, part of the treatment I am doing for these woodpeckers today, or I've been doing for the last couple of days, is adding this thing called avian spray. It is a deterrent. It does not last all that long. Unfortunately, woodpeckers love to chew into stucco. And what I am doing, why I'm so winded, is I have a massive backpack on right now, and I'm spraying this roof, or not the roof, but the chimneys here, of course, with this material. Woodpeckers hate it. Unfortunately, it's not weather fast. Have to keep reapplying it all the time. I wish it could last much longer. So, all right, I did the 3 chimneys. Now to get off this roof with the backpack. Spray this thing a little bit here. I know they like to make some noise. You see all the spinners, all these deterrents. Unfortunately, it's not enough sometimes. I have a really persistent woodpecker here. I have this male that does not want to go away. So I'm gonna give this an extra spray. Like I said, it's a deterrent, doesn't hurt the animal. They're like, eek, I don't like that smell, I'm gonna move on. So I'm hoping this spray here will get me through a little while. You can see I have one more woodpecker hole here to finish, and I got one on the other side of that chimney right there. I do stucco work too. So the job is to exclude and to repair. So getting through it. A couple big ladder pushes, big 40-footer coming up, and I think we're almost there.